Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manai Goya. We are Nishihara East Junior High School Robots Club. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. In our club, we make robots. We play music too. So we thought, if we can play music with robots, it will be very interesting. We therefore decided to make these robots.
Is drum robot electromagnet called solenoids using scratch and raspberry Pi.
Signals emitted from a computer have low voltage from 3 volts to 5 volts. This low voltage is not enough to move solenoids. Therefore, an interface is used to send the high voltage to the solenoids. Solenoids are moved by a DC voltage of 12 volts.
Let me explain how the robots are moved. For example, when pin 11 high is turned on, a signal of 3 volts is sent to the interface by the 11th pin of the Raspberry Pi model. The signal turns on an IC in the interface. That IC turns on the power supply device, which sends to a voltage of 12 volts to a solenoid. Then the solenoid moves and the plunger shrinks vertically. Then the stick moves along with that to beat the drum. A spring is used to move the stick back to the previous position once it beats the drum. If the returning strength of spring is too high, the next drum beat becomes weak and sound becomes quiet. If it is too low, the stick moves back slowly. That makes the rhythm to be slow too. Therefore, it is important to adjust the strength of the spring and the distance between the stick and the drum. In the beginning, it was hard to convert the musical score into a computer program. For example, one musical bar was considered to be played in 3 seconds. When 8 notes are mentioned in one musical bar, 3 are divided by 8. So one musical note is played in 0.375 seconds. After that, we did fine-tuning many times. A drummer helped in the process of time adjustment.
Different programs were made for different musical instruments. It was difficult to process all the programs at the same time. Therefore, the rhythm became too slow, so all the programs were combined to one. After that, the processing rhythm became smooth.
That program is made as a few short programs, not as one long program. Those short programs make it easy to understand what part of the program is being played.
Now, we have changed the program. In one musical bar, there is 16 beats. We have included this in our program such that the drum robots play via the score, and not simply one beat after another. A lag in the program will cause the beat to slow down. We like robots and music. Making robots that can play music using programming is like combining 2 different worlds. We would like to thank everybody who helped us in this long process. So, please enjoy our music.
「